Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that, well, a lot of preppers cannot afford. But some of them are budgeting for it so that when they have the money saved up, they can go ahead and get it because they see it as an item they really need to have. And I'm not talking about firearms. What I'm talking about is a freeze dryer, because there's a lot of foods you can run through the freeze dryer and really extend the lifetime of them being on the shelf. All right? So think about it. Do some research on your own. Find out what all the different things are that you can run through a freeze dryer that's going to help you get better prepared. And then you have to decide, sit down with your family, decide, is this something that is worth the expense of getting? All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a new skill. All right? Now, I've been hearing a lot of chatter and getting some communications from friends in the intelligence community. There's a possibility of something bad happening this winter. And they're talking about a domino type effect. Well, one thing's going to happen, it's going to cause several other things to go wrong too. So it behooves all of us, you, me, your friends, to get better prepped for this winter.